No.
Let's chase down a few bolt holes. Nah, yeah.
Prepare for battle.
Yeah. Always wanted to go this way. I'm keen. Yep. I'm keen. Yep. No, that way. Hardly see nothing down here. Yeah.
30 seconds and counting.
What's over here? Ripper. I'm always on the right trail. That's the one. Not ready. It's all on the way.
Radiant versus Dire. It all comes
Bobo
down
naman
I
nun.
don't know
to
the
this.
rules, but I'll learn
Si
along the
kulit.
way. This way.
Teka na pera.
They're bloody asking for
First
it.
blood of an
What?
avalanche
This
to
way?
come.
Listen.
Pining na nga yung punch kanina. Hindi pa rin naniwala.
Nah, yeah. Pause it, peddling. You crossed that line. It's how I live. Uh-huh.
Ay, putong ina mo.
Always a step
Shopee.
ahead.
Buha ka ng ina ka.
Sure.
Ano ba, plain? Anong ginagawa nung badge dito?
I make a very fine point. Wicked. Acorn in your eye. Leave it.
Plain fudge?
Ako eh.
Unong to. Baba!
I'm
Ganyan
always on
magdamag
the
si
right
Midi.
Radiant's
trail.
courier has been killed.
Holy shit.
All who step
Kill it,
onto
yeah?
the battlefield
Just
risk
follow my
this
tail.
ultimate price.
Eh, oh, oh.
Yun lang.
It's all on the way. Get off me!
Bobo, inuna niya yun. Kasi magdiwa.
Now you tell me. Tails a sail. Got any scrog? Yeah, I see it. You smell something? Uh-huh. I'm keen. Not literally. Anyone know where we're going? Probably the right way. Any blood trails? I'm on it. I'm under attack.
Ito, ano pa?
Yeah, I throw some shit. That's one.
Basic. Basic.
Shadow tail or shadow shine?
Basic.
Uh-huh.
Ano mo na dyan? Ay,
I'm keen. This way. Who we fighting? Yeah. I'm keen. Look here real quick.
wow.
Yep.
Wow.
That's the
Ano
one.
ba?
I'll lead the way.
Bumili. Oh, hindi. Ay, puta na. Nakikinig.
No worries.
Nakikinig siya.
Yeah, nah. Just follow my trail. Ripper. You always keep the truth. Mate. I'm just about naked.
Uy.
One in the groove. No, this way. Time to kill something? Yep. Shotgun. When's the murder start?
Ano?
Yeah.
TP ako dyan. Ay, nandiyan ako, Paul. Patay natin. Gago, lalapitan ko. Tara, nandiyan ako. Wala first skill yan.
Trampin' time.
Gago.
Guess it's my shout. Just follow my tail.
Ay, gago ko. Lumubog.
That's the one.
May raindrop.
Wicked. Now you tell me. Ripper. Who we fighting? I'll lead the way.
Ayan eh.
Got any scrog? My tail's a sail. Anyone know where we're going? For the record, I did hit the tree. No, this way. That'll knock your noggin. Always a step ahead. Yeah, still nah. It's all on the way.
The enemy attacks your bottom
I'm
tower.
always on the right trail. You smell something? One in the groove. Top is missing. Just follow my trail.
Puto ito
Your middle
nahuli.
tower is defending itself.
Yeah, I see it. In the strength. No worries. Better not catch you littering, bro.
The
Leave it.
enemy attacks your top tower.
Any blood trails? What? This way? I'll make you famous. This way. I'll suss it. Don't you hear something? Scurry out. Yep. Hey, ow!
Mubo ka ba, Pudge?
More fun this way.
Oh, pero pa siya. Talong-talong yung sa lane. Oh.
Back off. Yeah.
Hindi na stuck.
Uh-huh. Top is missing. You couldn't stop me. Sure,
Haste.
I'm keen. Hey, hold this tight for a sec.
Like a good bauble.
Coil to Paul.
Uh-huh.
May ulti ka. Kaya ata ma-burst to. Ay, walang ulti.
When's the murder start? Yeah,
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I'm king. Nah, yeah. Get stuffed.
Buko.
I don't normally
TP
wear
ako.
footwear, but these are kind of nice. It's how I live. Nah, yeah. Did you see a branch? Top is missing.
Wala punch din.
Pause
Free
and
farm
check.
yung Medusa.
Yep. Don't let him hold it. You look all sorts of wrong. Now get
So-
under attack.
Tara po, lesson na.
Hey, did you hear?
Uy, nakita. Words ata dito eh.
Always on the right trail.
Meron ba? Wala. Oh, mid Paul, oh. Ayaw mo?
Kaya ba yan?
Yeah, kas na.
Tayo mo nga na.
Got any scrod?
Medu. New solo now.
Anyone know where we're going? My tail's a sail.
Invisibility.
It's how I
Ako dyan. Next ako.
Sumagot
Baka
ba si
oras na
Medusa?
makita natin.
Sumagot ba si Medusa?
Andiyan, oras na.
Nakamit pala.
What? This way? No worries. Wicked.
Yun na lang pang mid. Ay, hindi.
No, this
Kasi
way.
ako,
Now
basta
I'm
ako.
the dodgy one. It's all on the way.
Wait lang. Kabulin ko yung stocks.
Just follow my trail. It's what I do. I'll lead the way.
I'm open all night.
Time to flesh him out. I'll suss it. That's
The
the one.
enemy's bottom tower has been demolished.
My crunch.
Ginagawa naman ngayon.
Go.
The fuck?
Dati ka bang tanga ka? Hayop ka? Bobo ka?
Tara, isa pa ba yan? May X ako.
Wala na akong ano ha.
Open time.
Ulti.
Crouch.
Putong ino mo, sorry. Mind. Never mind.
Just follow
Uy,
my
buling kulit
tail.
yung stocks.
Nothing to it.
Shit, di ata ko abo.
This way. Any blood trails?
Ako na dito sa baba.
You couldn't stop me.
12 minutes. Ah, nag-hook yan, Paul.
Oh,
Panakaw naman ako ng hook mo.
Nag-root?
See a branch move?
Ah, nag-rot.
Illusion.
You smell something? Now you tell me.
Nag-ward siya ata
Pa
dito
dyan.
yung ano eh. Na-check mo na ba, Pauls?
Sinabantayan nila.
Nag-ward kaya yung ano kanina? Hindi ko nakita kung nag-ward yung CM kanina eh.
Yeah,
Oh, tangina hindi siya nag-ward. Ano lang siya? Epal lang siya kanina.
I'm king.
Oh, nandito.
Nakita mo yung ginawa niya kanina? Nag-ankle breaker pa siya doon.
Tayo, pupunta sila dito.
Wala na yung punch.
Ako na mag-stock na ito.
Tingnan mo na.
Uh-huh.
Ako mag-stock na ito.
Ayun, ito na.
Ay, gago.
Bobo, umikot pa sa kabila. Batay, ayun, nabatay ng granada.
Nakuha natin yung ano? Crips? Hindi.
Hindi ko alam, kinuha yata nila.
Hindi ko alam.
May wards eh. Madami sa dami skill eh. Baka nakuha nila.
We're all goods, yeah?
Ay no, Obs.
Words, no?
Kung ano mo naman centaur. Hala, kukunin niya ni stocks. Kaya niya, may ano siya.
Glorious.
Vanguard ano siya.
Kabayan center na yan.
Ha?
Nah, yeah.
Kaba nga, gago. Magmaydas na lang ulit kaya ako. Masaya tong laban na to eh. Midas kaya ulit ako.
Ginagawa ng mga to, gago. What the fuck?
Predict game pala to, no? PXP lang, Sentor. PXP lang.
I'm a
PXP lang. I-stack namin yan.
Stacking.
PXP lang.
One in the
Level
booth.
8. Na-scout siguro nila yung stacks.
Uh-huh.
Na-FOMO mo sila. Hindi na ako magaan.
You could butter my essence. Sweet as, I should get heaps of these. Nah, yeah.
Ay, stack dyan, Paul. Dalawa.
Kaya
Ewan
tayo
kam.
sa taba na.
Yeah. Well, ain't this cute? Pause a peddling.
Tara, patay na tayo, Ursa. Tara, kuya. May Saudi ako.
Yeah, I see it. Taylor, trailing.
Saudi tayo, Saudi.
Hindi kasama si Sentor.
Hindi, kasama yan.
Walang buhay.
Tara, tara, tara.
Wow,
Dito lang yan, oh.
It's the murder star.
Sino ba una? Bagal ang combo ko eh. Gaw na kaya una.
Leave it.
Hindi, Mike po. Tayo na. Pangit yan.
This is a terrible test.
Ano, ito yung CM saka ano.
This is about all I need to get
Shaman.
started.
May rasta.
We fight.
Puta na ibon ko. Wala na Ursa na sa kabila. Nakita nyo?
Alam, dalawa. Oh.
Tara, patayin na natin yan.
Did you step this way?
The enemy attacks.
Hindi lang gawin ito. Puta nyo.
I'm trying to save
Dati ba kayang sa akin?
one in the group.
Tara, gusto.
Tara. May isa pa ako smoke. Let's go.
Go this way. Pause a peddling.
Ay, yan na yung camp na yan eh. Hindi pupunta yan dyan.
Kaya mo si ano, Drake, kuya.
I'm always on the right trail.
Kala ko hindi po niya patay.
Wala, patay na yung camp na yan. Nasa triangle yung ano, yung pupuntahan niya. Eto no.
Ano, wala na ano.
Just follow my tail.
Ito. Ito pa isa.
Ay, gago, sayang ano ko to.
Shaman.
Lo, gago. Ang ginagawa nila.
Go the distance.
Uy,
Boom. Wala na siyang ano.
I see no snakes of any kind. Now, I'm under attack.
Ayoko yan. Makati yan.
Look here real quick.
Tara, basagin natin.
Yeah, I see it.
May ano eh.
This way looks
Pero, sayang yun oh. Pera yan.
28 pesos. 22 pesos. 24 pesos. Oh, ala ko gago.
I beat the odds.
Much blade. One mo. Boom. Tangina mo siya buka.
Patay to.
pusa.
Patay to, promise.
Ulit sabay yun, nag-TP.
Huwag na.
Gago, sakit.
May silence ako eh.
Magkakarat si Zeus.
Ito na lang.
The enemy's top tower falls to oblivion.
Here we go
Uy,
again.
boom.
Hey, how about shot?
Tinimpak eh.
Get a bit caught up there?
Ulti, wala ka? Hindi ka nag-ulti, kuya.
My trail.
Eh, kala ko daran dyan na si Pak eh. May ipit ako eh.
Ayun na.
Ito gago.
Always a step.
May ano pala yung Atos.
Got ya. It's a solid workout. Ripper.
Ay, putangin na mo, bumalik!
Forest.
Ay, gago ka. From behind, idol. From behind. Oy, stun lock. Pakipatay. Stun lock. Ay, doon sa just farm.
An unremarkable.
Ito sa ice farming. Uy, gago arcade.
Try ka. Greedy oh.
Greedy nga sila gago. Ay, umalis ng ano. Rasta dito.
Gago, rekta dagger nga siya. Wala pa rin siyang dagger.
Dire have fortified their structures against attack. Your middle tower faces a terrible test.
Trails? Just doing my part. Always
Gago, may stock pala dito.
always want to be walking. Hi
Wala.
there.
Battle Beauty.
Time to kill something? What's a warning shot? Right, so it's the hard one.
Oy, bobo ka ba? Bobo ka ba, idol? Hindi mo alam. Uy, huwag kang ganyan.
Hindi pa tayo.
Uy, hindi na patay yun.
Eh, bobo ka, hindi ko na-cancel.
Uy, tali mo yan.
Wala. Although yung tali ko, di tumama.
Just adding on to perfect.
Meanwhile, tayo, walang carry. Oo, taragis yan.
Which protects also requires
Couldn't stop me.
your top tower
Sabi
is
na
under
tayong
What?
umuwi.
This way?
Ay. Putang ina mo, di tumama.
your middle tower is under attack.
That's the one. Uh-huh. Route shot.
Your top tower is under attack.
Kasama ko kaya.
You must decide. Your
Gagawa ba tayo ng edit to?
Yep. It's how I live. Rattle the dogs. And always. Yeah. Chin up. This'll only hurt quite a bit.
Boom.
I don't know where to go. A forest.
Kapaong tali. Tayo naman, nagka-shield. Bakit nung ano, wards? Uy, tangina mo, Medusa. Pumunta siya, wala siyang mana. Pero kinashback niya. Wala, di pa na tayong Crystal Maiden. May isa pang pulado dyan, yung CM.
Galing nga, ayaw istana na.
Cashback dun.
Who doesn't love the swirly bits?
Anong yan?
Force stop ka.
Spruce.
Nag-force stop.
Yules muna.
It's all on the way.
Your
Magbaborse
top
pa pala
tower
natin.
is under attack. Where will the
I'm keen.
line be drawn?
Sama na yata si Ani.
Push it. That's right. I'm under attack. Don't let him find me.
Bobo.
Never easy, eh? Ready? Right on.
Ay, putang ina mo, ba't kita? Bakit kita? Sir Chief. May words siya dyan. Oh my god.
Hindi ako nakakadaan.
I'm throwing the game of Dota 2. Gogo, namatay ka pa dun. Nahook. We are throwing the game for one word.
Dilemma here and there, or neither here nor there. Dragon time. Like I haven't seen that before. Watch it.
Nandun sa ano?
When's the murder start?
Sige yun.
Don't you think? Scar-
Nakita ko nung ano?
Go this way.
Fuck.
No worries.
Nakita ko nung...
Ako yari. Wala tayong mga force stop.
Pause it, peddling. Dragon time. Now
Pero, patay na.
I'm always on the right
Okay.
trail.
Ay, putong ina mo, Shopee! Na-isolate ako.
Uy,
Nalbert. Gago ko. Pinapuspos sa ano.
Hindi.
Kaya Cento, di ko pwede mamatay.
Got any scrog? I know just the truth.
ulit yung Medusa. Patay kayo dyan.
Only the
Putang ina mo kasi sinilence ako eh.
what's keeping that?
Bad trip talaga yung pack sa woodwink. Putang ina.
Saan din natin mamatay yung Hayop! Kasi may dusa na to, parang erok po talaga guys. Kung nandun siya, patay sa atin yung pack na yun, at saka Pudge. Parang meron po siya. Kahit na carry to.
Gago, ako pa yung nagap bandang huli. Sa
Hope I read it right.
mga support.
That's the one.
Your middle tower is under attack.
This'll suss out any snitch. Got ya! Time to kill something.
Bottom tower is under attack.
One in the group.
They seek an advantage.
Yeah.
Bandang huli ako pa yung nagap po. Tanginang talaga.
Piece of piss. Yeah, I throw some shade. Uh-huh.
Rewarding.
Just follow my trail. Did you see a branch move?
Si the warding skills.
Okay, so this is what it got. I'm king.
Ano ba
Pinapatay.
natin? Dalawa lang yan.
Tara.
Go, go, go! It's all on the way.
Puta na mo, lumihis.
Tail, train. We're the right way.
Tang ina mo, shabu pa. Huli ka ngayon sa akin pa. Ay, gago ka.
It's how I live. Always obsessed. Always a step ahead. I'm keen.
Kasi mga may Medusa eh.
Things the murder stuff.
Tanga-tanga kasi yung hype na yun eh. May butterfly na siya, ayaw pa sumama.
Radiant
Anyone know where
structures
we're
are
going?
fortified.
Idi oh.
You smell something?
Babawi din ang level. Tangina, wala ang buhay lagi to center na to ah. Parang deja vu to ah. Wala. Parang deja vu, idol.
Tails a sail. Hey! What? This way?
Oh my God!
I just like taking what's yours. This way looks clear. Any blood trails? Yep,
Peace.
wicked. Yep. Who we fighting?
Gago, hindi talaga siya nag-BKB. Siguro sa bayo.
Acorn in your eye. A reckoning. It's almost like divine intervention.
Gago, wala pa rin yun si ano.
Ripper. Dip this way. Just follow my tail. Okay, here you go. No,
Puta na mo. Online na si Medusa. Online na.
Ripper.
Ang epal dyan. Ano na lilipad? Basic silence. Basic silence. Tang ina mo. Shabu pa.
Go this way.
Ice will rain.
Always on my tail. No worries.
Laka.
You couldn't
Uy,
stop me.
ano? Kami hahampas, Medusa? Hampasin kita, tangina.
One in the groove. Wicked.
Radiant structures are fortified. Dire
Always a
structures
sticky
fortified.
Gago si Pak, wala pa rin siya pang ano sa silence.
Okay
Just
pa na
follow
yan.
my tail.
Wala siya kay Kills.
Right out. This way.
Ang tangina mo, shabu pa.
Oh, ba't walang ano yun?
Want something really cool? You need a hand.
Ano pa, Sid?
Break ay. Break ako
Mga
eh.
iba, himatay yun, di ba?
Break ako eh.
Tama nga pala.
Here,
Kaya pala kanina akala ko cooldown.
Destroy the enemy's middle barracks.
I'll lead the
Parang
way.
abadon nga pala yun.
Who we fighting? Pause it.
TMT daw, gago,
Uy,
TMT daw.
nag-smoke sila dito. Dito sila. oh.
Time to do something?
Bak, 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 bak.
Takbo kuya.
Dire's courier has been killed.
I'm not sure this is an
Tormentor pa.
Uy, gago ka!
Bak
Uy!
na, bak na, bak na, bak na, bak na.
I'm king. Got any scrog?
Tip yata natin yung baba. Ganda ng words natin sa ano. Kasi alam, mahuhuli yata ako dito. Pag naglandi ako. Hehehe, thank you. Tinuloy niyo pala.
It's how I live. Nah, yeah.
Lampak, kaya ko tong itulak.
I'll suss it. Nothing to it. Pick up, little guy. Sure. Just follow my trail. Anyone know
Ay,
who-
tang ina nyo talaga magdewar. Easy. Easy. Ay, putang ina mo! Yun ang hindi easy! Ay, putang ina mo! Bumalik, gago! Farm lang ako eh. Top 10. Bobo ng dalawang super 10? Laging front? Subaba. Oy 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 oy. Oh, wasak ang puso ni Nastima.
I'm keen. In blood trails. Tail crazy.
Hindi naman tayo. Uy, silence yun, oh. Silence yun, oh. Bobo ka, di ba?
Do it again. Meow meow, fishy fishy, fishy meow meow, fishy fishy meow meow. Leave it. Scurry out. Spruce up. Where do you think I'm under attack? Not here. Ripper.
Takot ka naman, Diyos ko po.
Gago. Ayos. Ay, gago, mamamatay yung Medusa na yan.
Nakakatakot ka naman, Diyos ko po.
Kaya pa ba?
You couldn't stop me.
Hindi na. Wala siyang mana. May pamana ba kayo?
Arrest na lang.
Pause a peddling.
Wala pa yata.
Wicked.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Time to kill something?
Yung buyback, punch lang. Putang na yung auto ano ko. Hindi nagdi-deliver yung ano ko. Saan si Medusa?
It's how I live.
Tangina mo, yung Ursa walang BKB. Yung Pac wala kahit kills.
Wala pa Roshan?
Did you see a branch move?
Kailangan ko yung ward. Bigyan mo sa akin yung ward. Tapos ko na pagtanggo ko.
Yeah, I see it.
Bigyan mo sa akin yung ward.
Sir Paul, tara.
Yeah.
Nakawag kayo silence.
Just follow.
Gago, layo nang inabot pala nun.
Got any scrog?
Gago, may namatay. Yung naparas ma.
Natanggal yung ano, coil.
Nothing to it. Leave it.
May words dito.
Just follow my trail.
Eh, gago, namatay ka, Paul?
Gago, kanina pa siya
Nakita?
namatay habang lumalandi ka.
In the end.
Umali pa ako dun, idol.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Dire structures fortified. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen. Tower is under attack. Bottom tower is under attack.
thing's the murder stat?
Haste.
Yeah. Yep. Dip this way. Anyone know where we're going? Wait, we're not burning it? I already got the pine patch. It's all on the way. I'm king. Who we fighting? You smell something? Gap it.
Oh, tangina mo, shabu pa. Saan yung pack? Sasilisin ko lang yung pack. Jobs done. I need to see the motherfucking pack. Gago, Hyperstone binili niya. Wala pa rin siya pang ano silence.
The enemy's top barracks crumble.
Uy,
I'm king.
bumayback. Center pala.
Dust.
One in the group.
Ano nga ba nito?
Radiant structures.
Bobo, hindi ko nakita yung pack. Patay na.
The enemy's middle tower can withstand no more.
Alam mo anong magandang bilhin dyan. Deso. Bili ka Deso.
Middle tower has fallen.
Ano po, carry dip ka pa. Bobo ka naman.
Babay ba kayong fudge?
Yeah, nah.
Deso. Deso later. Tapusin ko to. Huwag mong enjoyin yan laro.
Get stuffed.
Carry dip ko pa nalalaman kang mid.
Kaya di pa nalalaman, kala mo hindi farmer eh.
King ina mo, titipi ka lang sa mid eh. Hindi mo pa magawa. Carry dip ka pa. Uy, MVP. Carry dip daw. Hindi niya deserve ng comment. Si Centaur. Ko-comment ko si Centaur.
Center, kumain center. Bait yan eh.
Si... Demon Slayer pala si ano eh.
Low na.
Si Pudge pala. Demon Slayer pala si Pudge eh. No. Ano pangalan nun? Sa Demon Slayer? Ano pangalan nun?
Yung mga maskara.
Oo.
Yung mga maskara na.
Sa Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer pala si Pudge eh.
Bobo ng pack nila, no?
Kung ilan ng pack, pag na-silence, wala nang
legit siya,
kwenta.
legit.
Wala talaga kahit
Legit
Yules
siya.
lang. Kahit Yules. Ay gago, first pick niya din ng pack. Ayun oh, 0-0-0. Tira mo.
Baka naman bag lang sa'yo yan.
Hindi, ba't sila ano? Ba't yung iba niyang kasama meron? Hindi, marami
Alam ko
talaga.
na yun, no?
Marami talaga ungas ngayon. Maraming ungas ngayon.
First pick, no?